Hello guys, welcome to the video. I received today the LED bulbs for the headlights, so that's what I'm gonna be changing today. Honestly, every time you check videos on YouTube, they make it seem like it's very easy, and it's actually not. And even more when you haven't done this ever in your life. So be with me. Let's check it out. Let's see how hard this is. Okay, so first, in order to remove the headlights, you had to remove this and the tool to remove the headlight is in here, which is what I have here. It looks like all the tools that you need in case that of a flat tire is here, etc. I did this first before I started to record the video, because I wanted to make sure that I have the tool. So this is the tool that we use in order to remove the headlights. So let's check it out. Okay, so you remove this part, and then this is like a rubber cover, so you have to remove it. It's very easy. And then with the tool, okay, I found the screw, so you have to move it a little bit. I don't know if you notice it. Let me move that. Okay, check the bolt. Whoop. That's it. And then sorry guys, it should come off. Wow, there you go. This is the headlight. Now let's see how easy it is to change the bulb. Okay, so it has a couple of screwdrivers. Let's remove that first.
Be careful with those screws.
Okay, looks like that's it. Let's see. So I pull this bracket on the top, and then I think the one on the bottom. I think it has two on the bottom. So let me see. Let me use my plastic tool. This is the greatest tool. This tool, I can remove anything without destroying it, of course. Okay. So we have, you see how it looks? That's how it looks inside. And so this is the one that we're gonna use. Okay, so it's easier than I thought. I thought I had to remove this little screw, and it was very tight. So I was like, I don't know, I'm gonna have trouble with that screw. But then I realized, oh, okay, so I just disconnect this from the bulb, and then this wire. So there's a way to look. You see, it's like that. That way is holding the bulb. So you just push it down, and then it releases. And then once it releases, voila! So you can remove the bulb. Now, these are the ones that I got on. I got it on. I think it was on Amazon, but I always buy it on Amazon or eBay. So let's see. So this is the LED, and this is something that I look for when I bought the LED. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it in. Wow, it looks like it's very simple. Now, I don't know if it's simple. It's the wire that holds the bulb. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, it actually works very easily. You just have to play with it. And then all right, so it's on. That was very simple. I hope it works. All right, so now I'm gonna put this back on. So it was kind of dusty, you know. This car is 2005. I don't know how many times somebody removed the headlight. But I thought, you know, I'm not gonna put it back down. I'm just cleaning it a little bit. All right, it looks much better now. See how easy it is to put it back. Apparently that's it. You don't have to do much. Now let's turn it on. You know what I'm gonna say, right? It worked! It works! Oh my god. So yeah. So now I have the side marker LED and the headlight. Now let's pray that I don't get an error message, because I seen a couple of videos saying how to avoid the error message. That I hope I don't have to deal with that. So let's see. There's no error light or anything that I don't recognize, so we're good. So I want you guys to see the difference. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, looks good. And that too, mission accomplished. So I'm very happy that that wasn't that bad. So hot today. It was like 60 this morning and now it's like 80. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, you know how what to do. Click the like button, and also please subscribe to my video. Next time I think I'm gonna replace the LED on the bumper lights or the fog lights, and who knows, all depends on what I receive from Amazon or eBay. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.